It's something that many of us in the city have probably wondered about. What would life be like on a farm? Well, our next guest knows all about it and has captured their life in this new cookbook, 7 seasons on the Stowel Lake Farm. To tell us more is Chef Heidi Hart. Thank you so much for being here, Chef.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Okay, so what's the best part of raising a family on a farm?
I would say, our relationship to food is so wonderful, and that the kids can wander out in the field and eat fresh food right out of the garden and have a ton of freedom on the land. It's really a beautiful thing.
Is that what you wanted to do with this book, was connect people in the city with sort of that life on the farm?
Yeah, definitely, and really impart that it is really easy to source fantastic real food even in the city these days. It's getting so much better.
Let's get right into it. This is a minestrone soup. I wish the people at home could smell this. So what are we doing here?
So if you want to stir the soup, we're just going to add the last few ingredients.
I've become, in 2 years on doing the show, I've become very good at stirring.
Excellent. So we've just added our cannellini beans, our fresh shredded beautiful kale.
Oh, really? Kale, huh?
And some finely chopped cabbage. Let that simmer down for a little while.
I'm guessing that if you simmer kale in a soup like this, it'll wilt.
It definitely will, definitely. But it keeps its beautiful color, which is really nice. You've got some bay leaves and a little pinch of chili flake. And that's that, a little salt. Perfect.
And then you go the extra mile and you serve it in a pumpkin.
Yes, yeah, it's a really beautiful seasonal way to serve it. And we can even do like a big full-size pumpkin. You throw the whole thing in the oven for a minute. Please go ahead and taste it.
Chef, I'm going in here. It tastes like fall. It's beautiful.
Great.
Fantastic. Well, another thing that I've been dying to try is this right here. We've got a risotto here that looks like autumn. What's this one all about?
So this is definitely one of my favorite recipes from the book. It's our squash and sage risotto, and you really can use any type of squash. We've brought these gorgeous varieties all the way from the farm.
These are from your farm?
These are from the farm.
Wow.
These are a few of my favorites, really beautiful, just pulled in from the field. And so you can use a butternut or any of these other sort of rich squash varieties, and the squash just melts in, lots of fresh sage in there. Yeah, we're gonna finish it up.
I'm gonna go in here.
Okay, we're gonna finish it up here.
We gotta plate it. That's right. I was just gonna eat it out of the pot.
There we go. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna drizzle a little really good quality olive oil to finish. And
I'm guessing.
Grate a little. So this is a beautiful fresh whole wheel of 2-year-old parm that just came in from Italy. So we're gonna put lots on there.
Lots.
Keep going,
yes,
keep going.
I like the way you think, Chef.
And then we've got our crispy sage leaves as the finisher. And then you can go ahead and try it.
All right. Oh, that's fantastic. You said this is one of your favorites in the book.
It is one of my
favorites. I can understand why.
And it just gets better. The next day it's
even
better.
It's fantastic. Okay, we only have a little bit of time left, so let's go with this chicken dish here.
Yeah, so a classic chicken Marbella. We've used some beautiful, fresh, late-season plums. It's very flexible with the fruit. You can put some quince, even pear in there would be wonderful. Cooked down in lots of wine.
Now,
and fresh
chicken is an all-year-round thing. Does it change seasonally depending on what vegetables you add around it?
Absolutely. Yeah, you can go early apples even in the late spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very flexible. Yeah. Yeah, and again, it's a fabulous French picnic dish, so really it's best, even better served cold the next day.
And lastly, this is a dish that has a lot of ginger in it, I hear.
Yes, yes.
Half a cup? How do you prepare half a cup of ginger?
Yeah, you can finely mince it or put it in the blender, whatever.
And so tell me what it is. It's pear and...
Yeah, so fresh pear, there's molasses in there. It's actually really good for you, this cake, and it's fantastic as breakfast in the morning. It's not too sweet, but if you dress it up with some cream and a little powdered sugar, it's great for dessert.
You just told me I could have cake for breakfast.
Yeah, we could actually put a little cream.
Yes,
and you can
absolutely.
Go for it,
While we do this, you can find all of these recipes and more at yourmorning.ca. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Yes, I will.